In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create AI-generated videos for your brand that are going to crush it and get you leads for your business. Let's dive in. I'm going to show you how to create those AI-generated videos using 3 platforms. One, your ChatGPT, 11 Labs for voice, and then Hedra I'm going to use for pulling it all together and creating that AI video. First and foremost, you got to go to ChatGPT because what we want to do is create an image. What do you want that video to look like? Who's the character? Is it a cartoon? Is it a realistic person? Whatever you want it to be, you need to get that image first. And I like to use ChatGPT for that. First things first, what we need to look at is the business we are promoting with this particular ad that we're creating. And we're promoting a Manor Golf, which is a golf simulator inside of a bar. So that's the business. So now what we have to do is create that ideal customer persona, which we have done through ChatGPT. Now, once we have that persona, we can go ahead and create that prompt. And this is the image prompt that I'm giving to ChatGPT. A realistic image of a man in his early 30s, white with a well-groomed beard and a confident, relaxed expression. He's dressed in stylish casual wear, a fitted dark t-shirt, jogger pants, and clean sneakers with a ball cap worn backwards or slightly tilted. He's holding a beer in one hand and a golf club in the other, standing inside a modern indoor golf simulator lounge. Setting is dim, atmospheric lighting, neon highlights, and a big screen showing a virtual golf course. This sounds perfect. This is an excellent prompt, and I love what it gave me. So here's the output. I'm going to use this particular image for my AI video. Now, I'm not done with ChatGPT just yet. Once I get that image of the cool dude I want to use in the video AI, I prompt it for a script. I need a script. What's he going to say? So I ask GPT, I'm looking for help creating the script, but first I need help creating the prompt. So it helps me by asking me questions. I think it's important to ask GPT to ask me questions back so it can give me the best output possible. So it asks me a number of questions about audience and tone, business goals, offer and details, voice and style, which I've provided all those answers to it. And now it can give me a proper prompt for generating the script that I need. So it's going to write me a 45-second video script delivered by a confident, stylish man in his early 30s. Now that I got my script right here, I can now put it in to 11 Labs. All right, once I'm in 11 Labs, I can put that script directly into the box here. And this is a script I generated through ChatGPT. And now from there, what I'm going to do is download. Now, when you're messing with 11 Labs, you have options before you download. You can choose different voices. I'm just going to go ahead and choose Brian here. Middle-aged man. Yeah, let's go with him. All right, let's have a listen.
All right, boys, you can hit the same bar again this weekend. Loud music, same crowd, overpriced drinks. Or you can level up.
Okay, not too bad. The voice is okay. What I'm going to do at this point is download what I got. Now, once I'm in hedra.com, I can go into creating a video. And first thing it asks for is I got to upload my image that I want to turn into a video, and I got to upload the script. So if I go here, I'm going to upload an image. Let's go and grab that guy there. I'm going to upload the script, which I just downloaded from 11 Labs. All right. And this is what I got.
All right, boys, you can hit the same bar again this weekend.
Okay. That's not bad. I'm not in love with that voice, though. Let's see if we can pick up somebody else here. I definitely want to have an American accent. Let's see.
Our distrust is very expensive.
Don't like it.
Gratitude is riches. Complaint is poverty.
Not really liking it. I'm kind of going for the alpha male.
A wise man will make more opportunities than he finds.
Nah, not liking it.
We make our own fortunes and we call them fate.
I don't mind that. Let's try that one. Now, once I have that, I have the video, I have that all added to it. Now, let's generate a preview. All right, let's see what we got.
All right, boys, you can hit the same bar again this weekend. Loud music, same crowd, overpriced drinks. Or you can level up. Welcome to Manor Golf, where golf meets nightlife. You bring the crew, we bring the vibes. Private simulator bays, bottle service, smooth swings. And guess what? On Tuesdays and Wednesdays, the golf's on us. Yeah, free sim time when you get bottle service. Forget the pub. This is where legends come to unwind and win. Click the button below and call. All right, boys.
I'm not totally in love with that voice, so I'm gonna see. You can see you have so many different options here, like German, American. We want maybe Adam might be a good one actually.
All right, boys, you can hit the same bar again this
Let's do it.
weekend.
We're gonna go ahead and add that voice to it. I think that might be a good fit. Plus, you can give it any additional prompts. You can prompt the character with emotions and gestures. Be cool and charismatic. And you know, there's so many different things you can write here. I'm just going to say be cool and charismatic. Let's just see what that gives us. We're going to give that a second to load. Now, while that's loading, I'll tell you a bit about the Hedra platform because I just signed up for it. It's $10 and you get 1,000 credits. Now, I just created one video. That one video took approximately 270 credits. So, and that was about a 45-second video. So just give you an idea, like it's probably going to allow me for $10. I'll probably be able to create about 4 different videos. Now, the next upgraded option is $30 a month, and that gets you up to 4,000 credits. So, which would roughly be at this rate, probably about 16 videos. Okay, so that just gives you an idea of the price point. I think it's relatively cheap, but really the proof as to whether or not that's cheap or not and the ROI is all in the success of these actually working as good ads on Meta. All right, now here is the finished product.
All right, boys, you can hit the same bar again this weekend. Loud music, same crowd, overpriced drinks. Or you can level up. Welcome to Manor Golf, where golf meets nightlife. You bring the crew, we bring the vibes. Private simulator bays, bottle service, smooth swings. And guess what, on Tuesdays and Wednesdays? The golf's on us, yeah, free sim time when you get bottle service. Forget the pub, this is where legends come to unwind and win. Click the button below and call now. Let's make your next night out swing different.
I like it. I think it's pretty good. There's a few things I would definitely work on. I would take the stogie out of his mouth, first of all. Who talks like that with a stogie in their mouth, right? And at some points you can actually, it looks like he doesn't even look like he has a stogie in his mouth. It looks like it's like in thin air. I like the way he's moving around though. I like the mannerisms. I asked it to be cool and charismatic. I think it hit that. I actually do like how the AI had the 3 dudes in the background conversing with one another. I think that's pretty cool as well. I think this is pretty decent. I'm not sure if I'd roll this one out, but I would definitely prompt it. Specifically, I think the platform Hedra is pretty good. I would not have liked to use as many credits on this. I would have liked to have some revisions first before it taking credits off of my account. That would have been nice. But regardless, I think it's a pretty cool platform. I'm going to roll with it on some meta ads, see how it performs. I'll definitely keep you updated on that. If you like this video, give a like, subscribe. I'd love to hear your comments. If you have experience doing the same type of strategy for your meta ad campaigns using AI video content, I'd love to hear your comments below. Thanks again. We'll see you soon.